Welcome back. You're watching Bollywood This Week. We cornered Shahid Kapoor for an exclusive interview on Zoom. So let's listen in.
And The Dark Knight Rises. Of course, it's been a wait, but I think it's been worth it, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I'm very, very happy, and it's an amazing feeling. I've been going to the theatres, I've been seeing the reactions of people for Rajkumar, and it's very overwhelming. I've never done a film of this nature where you get to see that atmosphere inside the theatre where people are, whistling and clapping and enjoying themselves, and so very happy, yes.
I think the performance also was quite uninhibited, like I say. So दिल खोल के नाचा, दिल खोल के action किया. Probably it was the kind of roles that you've done. It required your character to be more subdued, settled, or the intense was a different kind of intense. I don't know if you agree with me.
Sure, no, absolutely. I mean, it's a Mawali character. It's a Prabhu Deva film. It's an out-and-out entertainer. The action in the film is very, very extreme. The songs are extremely danceable. So the energy levels had to be high. And I went for it without really worrying or thinking about how I'll come across. I completely trust Prabhu sir and the way he presents his heroes.
शायद जब आप देख रहे होते ये गाने गंदी बात and साड़ी के फॉल से, do you also feel like whistling? Does that Mawali side and that?
When I heard the songs only, I was in that zone. I mean, because Pritam and Prabhu Deva have worked together for the first time, and their combination is so amazing. I think Pritam's melodies and Prabhu sir's Mawali Panti got a very fresh vibe to the songs. So I really loved the songs, and I used to play them a lot in my car. Like, I would be playing them half the times in my car whenever I'd be driving around, and that doesn't happen with all my films because I get bored of my own songs.
कहा जाता है कि बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करने को मिलता है एक्टर को जब वो पर्टिकुलर जॉनर में चले जाता है. I'm sure you know, if you are touted as the romantic hero, for some time you will also want to do that because you think the audience wants to see you like
that's the general trend, but I mean, I've never really sat and analyzed my career so much, but now when I look back and when these questions get posted to me, I realize that I didn't follow any rules whatsoever. I mean, which might be a good thing, it might be a bad thing also, because I guess those rules are there because those things work. I mean, if people see you in a certain space, they enjoy seeing you in that space for at least some time before you give them, something different. But with me, I get bored of doing the same thing, so I keep trying different things. So sometimes it's worked amazingly for me, whether it's Kamine or this time now it's with R. Rajkumar. I mean, people have really walked out surprised and, and saying, "Arey yaar, we didn't expect this," which is great. But sometimes people have walked out saying, "Nee yaar, we didn't get excited by it also." So it has both sides to it. Sometimes it really works for you and sometimes it doesn't.
How worried are you about the figures?
Worried before the release or after? Now though it's all good. Now I'm happy.
I mean on Friday especially.
Yeah, I mean, of course, I think what we kind of tend to forget is that more important than the figures is the audience's response, because a film needs to work for a few days. And I think when people turn back and look at your work, they remember how they felt about your work. Numbers get forgotten. There might be times where you have a successful film but your work was not good. That's the time to get worried. More worried than when you have an unsuccessful film but your work has been liked, because at least people want to see you again.
After Fatah, we saw a very different kind of Shahid during promotions. A happier, a more energetic, more open about everything.
Right.
And I remember you said that now you've decided that I'll just say whatever I feel like.
Yeah, I guess these films have also opened me up. I've never done these kind of films before, and so I guess the mood of the film has kind of carried forward into when I've been promoting the film. I guess maybe that happens with actors sometimes. But yeah, I think I've also spent enough time now. I kind of know all of you guys. We've done so many interviews together, and people don't see that, but we've sat and eaten food together and chatted and discussed things, and so I guess I feel comfortable with most of the people that I've done interviews, and I'm that kind of a person. I take a little time to open up, but once I get comfortable, then you'll see me for how I am or who I am.
On that note, thank you so much once again.
You.
It was a lot of fun. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You deserve it.
Thank you so much.
There you are. Happy, chirpy, why not? It's a success time for Shahid Kapoor once again, and he is back. Rudran Chatraj with camera person Hari and Amya.
Moving on, we have the 90s diva Juhi Chawla, who said that the only reason for her to work in Gulab Gang was because of her contemporary Madhuri Dixit. Watch it to believe it.
पहले जब मुझे 90s में हम दोनों जब काम कर रहे थे फिल्मों में, तो तब भी मौका मिला था. इनफैक्ट डर के बाद यश जी दिल तो पागल है बना रहे थे, तब उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि करिश्मा का रोल मैं करूं। मैं नहीं मानी तब कि माधुरी है तो मैं क्यों करूंगी।
Juhi Chawla, who had once denied to act in Dil To Pagal Hai because of Madhuri Dixit, has today confessed to Zoom that she signed Gulab Gang only because of Madhuri.
मैंने माधुरी की वजह से ही फिल्म की।
Well, yes, this is Juhi's candid confession. At a time when every actress in B-Town tries to avoid questions on catfights and competition, here's one actress who has always been open about the fact that Madhuri has been her competition.
मैंने सोचा अगर वो होगी और मैं होंगी तो इस फिल्म में जो अलग एक जान बनेगी ना वो बहुत अच्छी होगी। और माधुरी की वजह से और स्क्रिप्ट की वजह से मैंने ये फिल्म करी।
You heard that. Looks like Juhi is still in the mood to compete with a contemporary. After all, Gulab Gang, which releases in 2014, is a special film for Juhi.
माधुरी के साथ फिल्म है, that is very special. बहुत कड़ाकेदार फिल्म है, that's very special. और मैं नेगेटिव रोल में हूँ जो मैंने जिंदगी में पहले कभी नहीं किया। एंड मुझे लगता है मैंने अच्छा किया है।
Well, we are glad that Juhi took this decision. Not only will we get to see Juhi in the negative role for the first time ever, we also don't want to miss the chance to see the two powerhouses of talent together on the big screen for the first time ever.
Time for a short break on Bollywood this week. But before that, we'll leave you with these interesting visuals of veteran actor Dilip Kumar's birthday bash.
दिलीप साहब का जब बर्थडे होता है तो आज के दिन ही नहीं होता है, सब कुछ आज ही शुरू नहीं होता। कई दिन पहले, कई हफ्तों पहले जो है वो माशाल्लाह से उनके कार्ड्स आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, उनके मैसेजेस आने शुरू हो जाते हैं और बहुत वो खुशनसीब हैं, बहुत खुशनसीब है। इतना लोग चाहते हैं उनको।
Great day for me. I love him. He's like my brother, and I pray he should be fit and fine forever.